Morning, welcome to our channel once again, guys. Real Nice Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're gonna be cooking a real nice Guyanese dish. And it's no other than dal and rice, which we're gonna be having with fried okra and fried fish. We have our ingredients laid out, and we're gonna get started right now. So here we put on our water for the rice on this side, and over here we have the water on already for getting heat up for the dal. So next, while our water is getting heated for the rice and the dal, we're gonna start washing the okra, getting okra ready. So with okra, you wanna wash them and then you wanna dry them off completely, because as you know, this gets slimy, really slimy if you don't dry it off. So when last you had a meal like this, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Dal and rice and some nice fried fish even alone. Alone even would be real nice with some real nice pepper sauce. So we've tried all of these out. We're gonna cut them up now. So you can chip in your hand, which is a slow way, or you can do it like this. Way faster. So water for our dal is boiling already, so we're gonna wash this and throw it in. So we're gonna add some garlic and pepper in there. 1 pepper, 2 cloves of garlic. Adding some salt. And a little bit of turmeric. Real nice. Time to put in the rice now. So the okra is now cut up, chip up. So our dal is bubbling away already, and our rice as well. So here's our very pepper. Nice flavorful pepper for your food, guys. So all of these seasonings that we cut up here, the onion, the scallions, tomato and pepper is going in our okra, guys. And this garlic and garlic now we're gonna add to the okra as well. And this clove of garlic and the pepper is for our fish. Season our fish to fry. So along with our garlic and pepper for the fish, we're gonna add some 1 leaf broadleaf thyme. There. Fresh out of the tree. So there we've pounded this garlic and the broadleaf thyme and the pepper as fine as possible. You can see really fine for a fish. Check it up on the dal, looking real nice. We're gonna add some water to the rice now. We need some more water. So we're gonna be frying our okra in here, in this pan. So we got 1 clove of garlic there, and we add in some jeera, cumin. So this we're gonna chunk our dal with. We gotta slice the garlic some more. So we're just gonna get this and put it aside, so when dal is finished this will be ready. So we're gonna put on our okra now, once our oil is heated up. So our oil is hot, guys, and we're gonna start with adding our onions. So we're gonna fry up our onions a little bit. So our onion has been frying up a little bit, guys. You can see there's a little bit of color there. So now we're gonna add our other stuff. That's the pepper and the garlic, scallions. And you're gonna leave the tomato for a little bit later. So time for our okras now. So after we added the rest of the items to the onions, just about 30-45 seconds, we're gonna add our okra. Mix that up real nice. So while this okra is frying now, our dal is on, our rice is on. We're gonna go work on the fish right now. So we have some time to do that now. So our fish is already clean, our bangameri. Just wash that out now. And give it our okra a little turn now. Coming along nicely. So we're gonna add a bit of vinegar here to wash our fish. So this is all washed, ready to be seasoned. So our rice is done, guys. We're gonna go strain this now. Alright, it's time to season our fish. First we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add some salt. We usually would add some fish seasoning, but we don't have any today, so that's not a big problem. This is some black pepper. So we're just gonna add a little bit of curry powder. And now for our garlic and pepper and the thyme, the broadleaf thyme, puਦੀna. So we're gonna rub that in real nice. So we can add our tomatoes now to our okra. And a bit of salt, so it's coming to the end. You don't want to add the salt too early, or else it'll get too mushy and slimy. So you want to add your tomato and your salt towards the end. So we're adding a teaspoon of vinegar here, guys. That helps to cut the sliminess. So our dal is ready for sautéing, guys. So we're gonna sauté the dal. So now we're gonna add our jeera, cumin. This is a roasted ground one. Give it another swizzle, goatee. So the very pepper we added in there, bro, guys, is mashed up in there, and then we can smell that, man. Yum, yum. So we just added another pepper here. So you don't have to add if you can't handle the pepper, guys, of course. So our dal is basically done there, guys. The last process, we're gonna truncate the dal, and we're gonna do that very soon, just now. Meanwhile, our okra is done now. So we're gonna heat up our oil to truncate the dal. So we're just gonna wait for this to change a little bit of color, fry up a little bit, and then we can add it to our dal, truncate our dal. Alright, so our garlic has fried up, changed a bit of color there, so we're gonna add this to our dal. Truncate the dal. There you go. So you wanna leave that covered a little bit for the flavors to infuse. So our rice, dal and okra is done, and we're gonna work on the fish now, which we have seasoned a while ago. So it's been seasoned for about maybe 20 minutes or more. So we've added the oil to fry our fish. Fried fish looking good there, right? Looking nice. So this is how our dal is looking, guys. Feeling hungry looking at this right now, guys. Fish is almost done. So we are all done here, guys, with our dal, rice, fried fish, and fried okra. And here it is, our okra, rice. And that's it, guys. This is our lunch for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.